Does your perfume ever feel a little too loud? Like it's competing with everyone else in the room? Or leaving you with a dull headache by lunchtime? Most store-bought fragrances are packed with synthetic chemicals that are just plain overwhelming. Today we're hitting the reset button on personal fragrance. We're making the Luminous Spirit Roll-On. This isn't just about making your scent, it's about a soft, uplifting vibe that stays close to your skin. It's light, it's grounding, and most importantly, it's completely natural. We're starting with fractionated coconut oil. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly. Happy Joy gives this blend its bright, citrusy floral scent. Lang Lang adds a soft floral depth and helps round out the scent. It also helps the scent feel more balanced and linger a bit longer. This is a no stress DIY. Just add 3 drops of Happy Joy, 2 drops of Lang Lang directly into your 10 ml roller bottle. Then fill the rest of the way with your coconut oil. Snap that roller top on until you hear that click. Pro tip: roll the bottle between your palms for about 30 seconds. The warmth of your hands helps the oils marry together perfectly. The easiest way to get these ingredients is with the Simply Earth's Natural Beauty Recipe Box. We send the oils, the bottle, and the labels right to your door. If you love DIYs, you'll love your recipe box. There's a new theme every month, and it even comes with the DIY course. Or you can also shop just the individual ingredients at simplyearth.com. This just smells like a sunny morning in a bottle. To use it, just hit your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind the ears. It's a light, fresh scent that feels really easy to wear all day long. Just reapply as needed. When you make yours, snap a photo and share it using #IMadeThis to be entered to win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. Grab your June box or shop natural ingredients and recipes in the links below. I'll see you in the next DIY video.